Alright, so I just got back from Ulta and Harris Teeter, and I kind of want to share with you guys a little bit about what I got. I'm not going to share with you guys what I got from Harris Teeter because that's just like groceries, but I did get this one thing from Harris Teeter. It's the nail polish remover. I didn't have any of this, so I needed some so I can remove what I have on my nails. And then from Ulta, I picked up this NYX. It's the 3 Steps to Sculpt. I already had this, but I needed to replace it because Mercy got into it at night, and all like the plastic like little things got inside my powder, so I couldn't use it. And then I've been into masks, and I've been testing out a lot of Ulta, not the Ulta brand, but like a lot of masks that Ulta sells. And I found these, or actually it was this one. I found this one. It's called Miss Spa, and it's a hot chocolate self-heating clay mask, and I loved it. I loved it so much, and it smells so good. It smells like chocolate. And then I saw this one. It's the same thing, but it just says advanced formulation, dermatologist tested. So I'm assuming they're the same. Hopefully it's not too much of a difference. And then, hold on. And then I picked up a bunch of these, they're like peel off masks, and hold on, they're like doing maintenance. They're like cleaning up outside, so hold on. What's that noise, Mercy? So I've been trying their masks, and another brand that I've been trying is called Seventh Heaven, and it's their peel off masks, and they are so good, like so good. I love how it makes my skin feel, and I just love peeling them off. I love the peel off masks more than the ones that you wash off, so I highly recommend these. I have the one that's all skin types, and then I have some that are for problem skin, which I have. And one of the main reasons why I went back to Ulta is because I have been currently obsessed with these things, and I needed to pick up some items because I didn't have any. So I picked up some nail files because I don't have any. And I picked up this Tweezerman nail kit because I have been obsessed with nail polish recently. So in the nail kit, it comes with cuticle clippers, a nail file, like this pushy thing. It says mini pushy and nail cleaner, and then nail clippers. So I thought that was awesome because I didn't have any of those things. And then I picked up nail polish. So I got I think this is the base coat. Yeah. So all of the nail polish products that I got are from O.P.I. So I got a base coat, a top coat, and then I got 3 pastel colors, which are so beautiful and perfect for the springtime. And I picked up this beautiful lavender color called Whisperfection. So it looks like this. And I swatched them on my nails when I was in the car because I just couldn't wait. And then I also swatched To Be Continued. This one is my favorite color. It is so beautiful. And it looks like this. And then the last color that I got is You're Such a Budapest, which is this color right here, and it's a mixture of the lavender and the light blue color, and it's this one right here. So yeah, those are the products that I picked up. I love ring fingers. Ring fingers? No, I love ring fingers? Finger rings? Finger rings, okay. Oh gosh. I love finger rings, and I just like putting them on, but I usually don't have anything on my nails, and it takes a while for me to go back to the nail salon because I usually get gel manicures. But I've just been really into just trying to do it myself, I guess. And my favorite YouTuber, because I talk about her a lot on my beauty channel, but my favorite YouTuber, she actually has a nail polish line, and I actually purchased some of her nail polishes, so they should be coming in soon, and that just really inspired me to get on the nail game, because my nails are just awful, and I just let them be. So I didn't want, I just wanted to take better care of my nails, so I just went and I just bought a bunch of things. So yeah, if you guys are interested in maybe like, well, I can't even offer a tutorial or anything because I don't even do nails, but if you guys are interested in like what colors I'm wearing, I'll always leave it in the description down below if I remember. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys what I got, and that's pretty much it. Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the finished look of my nails, and I've got to say I love this color. This is how it looks like, and it is so soft, so beautiful, and I love it. This is in the color To Be Continued by O.P.I, and I love it. Just wanted you guys to see the final look.